Yep, that's a waterfall. It's called Lower Yosemite Falls because I'm at Yosemite right now. Well, yep, that's pretty much it. Water flowing down at the gravity at 9.8 kilometers per second squared with gravity resistance. Yep, and it's raining and it's cold, but it's okay. Can you sing a little louder? Hey, I got you, baby. They got you, baby. Some people diamond rings, some just want everything. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Alright, that's enough Alicia Keys for today. I'm hungry.
I'm sexy and I'm no.
Joy. I do it.
When I walk on by, girls be looking like damn fly. Run through the beach, I'm in my speedo trying to tan my cheeks. Hey!
Okay, you're on camera, but it's like really zoomed in on your face, you know that? Oh no 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 no, give me! Ew, that's disgusting. That should be flagged and not suitable for minors.